Hi guys, thank you for stopping by my channel. So in this video you're going to see the luxurious lifestyle the Nigerian billionaire Jowizaza shows off as he prepares for his birthday on the 19th of March 2022. It happened that the young billionaire was leaving his vacation site and an helicopter had to come pick him up. To this he captioned, "My Uber is here." Please kindly give this video a thumbs up, and if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, kindly hit the red subscribe button and the notification bell. Thank you. Jowizaza's caption got many people talking in his comment section, including the socialite Obi Cubana and actor Zubby Micheal, who reacted to his video. So many people were hailing him in admiration of his exotic lifestyle, and so many others were already wishing him a happy birthday in anticipation for the shutdown that would happen on the D-Day of his birthday. Jowizaza was present at billionaire Imoni's grand finale birthday party, and he even sponsored their Dorime, so it is quite understandable why the movie that would happen at Jowizaza's own party is anticipated. And of course, he has men's who would be available to paint everywhere red. Thank you for watching up till this point. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section, and please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up. If you are yet to subscribe to my channel, kindly hit the red subscribe button and the notification bell. Thank you for watching.
Oga kibie. Oga galaga. Lipopo. Adam dise. Iyego, were wa yo butu. I will believe it. You are here.